What's up, superstars? It's Phil here. Today's video, we're going to talk about the ISS Show. So the ISS Show in Long Beach is about to kick off for 2024. I've been to quite a few shows in my life, and if you're in the apparel space, this is probably the one show that you don't want to miss. So what is the ISS Show? The ISS Show in Long Beach, or the Impressions Show, is held annually in Long Beach, California. It is one of the leading expos in the United States for professionals in screen printing, embroidery, graphic design, and anything printing. So here's what's on tap for this year's show. Exhibitions and demonstrations. It's pretty much the heart of ISS. Imagine the latest tech in screen printing, embroidery, DTG, DTF, all under one roof. It's like a playground for apparel professionals. And if you're looking to up your game, the educational sessions here are invaluable. Workshops, classes, seminars, you name it. Make sure you guys sign up so that you guys can get a seat at these classes, but you don't want to miss them out. They've dropped some good game value there. They're also run by industry experts who've seen it all, and they're ready to represent their brand and talk about years of experiences that they have with their products. So again, I've sat in a few classes and I've got some good information from there. All you need is one really good gem from it, then it's going to be worth your time. The next thing is you definitely want to network at ISS. So networking is game changing. It's your chance to pretty much rub elbows with some of the biggest names and brands in the business. Trust me, having a brand rep in their corner can open doors for you even that you even didn't know existed. You know, you guys can find a brand rep there that can help you, unfortunately, when things go wrong. So, you know, even though it's good to network, there's somebody there when something goes wrong, you're able to, hey, hit them up for that purpose. And every year, ISS, they unveil brand new, latest technology, gadgets, and all that innovation. Remember last year's, there's buzz around the M&R powderless machine. It never got released, but you know that was buzz that was going around in the market. This year, M&R is actually releasing their DTF Quattro machine, so I'm actually excited to check that out. The advancement that we've seen with DTF is pretty much mind-blowing, so I can't wait to see all the new stuff that's happening. Also in ISS, diversity is something that's always there. There's small startup businesses, there's big players, big apparel companies, big machine companies. It's all right there. ISS brings them all together. It's just not all about the machines. It's also a hotspot for the latest trends in fashion and sportswear in apparel. I'm especially excited to see what's new from brands like Bella, Next Level, American Apparel, Gildan, Lane 7, Lat Apparel, Los Angeles Apparel, Baymar, Comfort Colors, Hanes, Tri-Dry. That's just to name a few. There is a ton of vendors out there. So here's our game plan and what we're going to be covering and what I'm excited to see. First of all, it's going to be checking out the new printers and basically sharing that with you guys. If you guys are in the market for a new DTF printer, here are some basic questions that you might want to ask. So first of all, find out what the printer name is, when they release that actual printer. You want to make sure that it's the latest technology, the number of print heads, the type of print heads, and lastly, the cost of the print heads. Those are all very, very important. You also want to cover the speed, any additional options that you can get with the printer, any add-ons, if it has like a ink circulation setup, is the powder recirculating, what type of safety sensors and what type of safety sensors it has, what kind of size is it, does it fit into your regular doorway, the software that it runs with, and lastly, the cost. You want to make sure that you find out the cost with the shipping, with the custom freight, if there's even that. Some of them are distributors in the United States, so you might not have to worry about the logistics of things, but those are also some things that you want to ask for. And if you guys are purchasing from out of the country, you want to find out what the lead time is and how the support is. Is it on your time zone, on their time zone? Lastly, what are the new features from this machine? That's what's going to separate this machine with the other ones, so you obviously want to ask those questions. So those are some of the things that I'll be asking, some of the things that you'll be seeing in some of the videos that we're going to be putting out. And so here's the deal, superstars. We'll be there capturing it all. Expect the videos to be packed with insights, interviews, and maybe some surprises along the way. Last, if you guys see us wandering around the ISS show, don't be shy. Come up to us, say hi. We love to meet fellow apparel enthusiasts. And if there's something specific that you want us to cover or questions you have regarding the show, drop us a comment below. We'll be able to make sure that we cover that topic for you guys. And again, make sure you subscribe for the latest videos. We'll catch you guys when we're back from the show.